1712, deep in the heart of Wales, there were two people, Joseph and Ellen, both of which were voodoo masters. At the time, people assumed they were witches, so they tried to burn them alive. Joseph knew this day would come, so he ran to get his sister, but he was too late. The flame in the other room spread, causing a massive explosion.
The key is done.
Okay.
If you wish, you can write on top of the pen. Next week. Before we visit the room is on the fourth floor. The elevators are after the staircase on the right.
Yeah.
And just tap your key on the little white box.
Yeah.
And then the access.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Yes.
What? Is it? You know what though? We're in a good spec though to find anything. And then four.
Number four.
Yes.
Thank you.
We're in a good spec to find everything, I think, aren't we? 2, 4, 2, 3, so it's a little left. So there was a cleaning stay thing, so we rolled it on. What? Party?
Shoes on, we're going back out now. 7. Yeah, I don't like the look of it.
To the single currency in 2001, its economy was still relatively undeveloped. Greece didn't actually meet the requirements for membership of the euro, but Europe turned a blind eye. I headed to Athens, Greece's capital, to see the consequences. The government spent as much money as they could get hold of. Airports were upgraded, and the Athens subway got a costly makeover.
honest, you will not be surprised to know. Very well air conditioned down here. It's like a fridge compared to the furnace outside. It's got one very peculiar characteristic that you notice immediately is
We were just here.